Hey guys, how you doing? Okay, so as some of you found out, some of our sauces have been selling out because we're running a big sale. So we only have like gourmet seasoning and I think hot barbecue. We only have a few left. You can go to the website and see. But do me a favor. If you go to the website, don't put in your own flavors. Don't put in barbecue, don't put in teriyaki. If it's not in the list, that means we're out of it. So a lot of you are ordering flavors that we're no longer supplied with. So we would have to make more and all that. And we haven't done that yet. So, you put in Tutti Frutti, you can put in any flavor you want, but if it ain't in the list, you ain't getting it. So anyway, I just wanted to give you guys a heads up, a warning if you can do any ordering. All right. So in the meantime, we're continuing our Disney recipes. Okay. This is Disney pineapple whip. Really, it's Disney's Dole pineapple whip, but it's simple. Come on in close. We're gonna kick this out in a few seconds, and it's supposed to be delicious. So let's see what happens. I don't have anything to compare it to because I've never ordered Disney Dole pineapple whip, but I know it's very popular, and you guys voted it in, so it's one of the recipes that you wanted. So I'm giving it to you right now. So we'll try it out. All right, come on in close. Okay, guys, it's literally just these three ingredients. That's it. It's that simple. And they're probably making millions of dollars a year putting these three ingredients together. So now you can do your own, okay? It's pineapple juice. It's frozen pineapple chunks. Get the frozen ones. Don't get the canned ones, okay? Temperature is everything on this. And it's this whole big thing of vanilla ice cream. So we went with Bluebell. I think we went with Bluebell, right? Yeah, we went with Bluebell. Natural vanilla bean, okay? So let me measure this all out, and then we're going to blend it up and try it out, all right? All right, let's take the lid off, and first we're going to put our ice cream in. It's going to be the hardest one to get in. Get that all in there. Have to push it in there, okay? Then we're going to do our pineapple chunks. Gosh, I don't know if I have enough room. So we're not going to put the juice in yet. I'm just going to chop this up a little bit, then put in the liquid and get it finished off, okay? So let's make sure we got it looking good. Let's put a little bit of liquid in now. See if we can't get this to set up. Put it all in, not just a little bit. There we go. Let's close it up. Oh, there we go. Okay, now remember, safety first, right? So before you go ahead and put your spoon in here or dive in here, unplug this. It's all whipped. It's all good. Make sure all the chunks are broken up. Then open the lid. It's got a safety. When the lid's open, it won't move anyway. But just be careful, all right? This looks beautiful. Wow. This is really good, guys. It's really sweet too. I'm guessing that's how Disneyland works. Sugar, 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 right? Keep it going. This is really thick and really cold. Really, really cold, all right? So good. So here it is. Have fun with it. Let me know if it tastes like the real thing, because I've never tried the real thing. It's called Disney's Pineapple Dole Whip, and you're going to love it. Very cold. Have fun.